it's Neil. Welcome to the kitchen, and today I have this smartwatch. It's Souyie is the brand, and let's check it out and see how it looks. So let's open this up. So it looks like it can do the heart rate monitor, sleep monitoring, blood oxygen, blood pressure, calorie intake, more exercise mode, so it's good for exercising stuff. So let's see what we got here. Oops, dropped some of the papers for it, but this is what it looks like here. So the box is empty, and that is it. It says smartwatch, so that's what it is. So let's see. So it looks pretty nice here. This is what the watch looks like, and then it comes with the band here. Let's see what else is in the box here. So is there anything under it? Let's see. Oh, there it is. The charging wire. So that's the charger for it, and the instructions. So here's the user guide for it. It looks like it can do all sorts of things if we look at it. So let's try to open it up here and see what it looks like. It's got a sticker on it. You see right now, it looks like it's got all these settings on it, which is funny because that's like the similar face that I have on my Apple Watch. Okay, so there, that's off. I guess the sensor is here in the back. I gotta take that off as well. Okay, and oops. And then there's the little charging thing. It's kind of weird. It's got an interesting charger. I don't think I have a charging block right here. So this is the charger for it. You see, it's got these two little plug, and I guess it matches up right there. Oh, so it magnetizes on. Pretty cool. So as good as any other one. Wonder how you turn it on. Oh, I turned it on, I guess, by holding the button. So there, now it's on. So we can see what's it gonna do. It says no notice. Oh, and then there I push the button and there's all the different settings. So this is actually on right now. So it says the heart rate is 73. Oh, pretty cool. And you can change the different faces just like an Apple Watch here. So you can slide it so it could have a face like this. This is really cool. Oops. I guess you hold it down and then slide it. Oops, slide it that way. So if I do that, and then I probably click on it there. Now this is my watch face. So it looks kind of like an Apple Watch. This is great. If you have a kid or something like that, this would be perfect. Some kid who's trying to get your Apple Watch from you. Because this has everything here. Look at that. So cool. I like it. Let's see what kind of features it has on it here. Let's look at the user guide a little bit. Just see what it's got. So you can connect it to your phone through the Bluetooth settings, just like you can with any other watch. And you can make calls with it. Pretty much can do everything that another one can do. It can tell you, even tells you your body temperature, motion information, sleep, heart rate, blood pressure. I'm gonna give this thing a try for a couple days, and I'm gonna take off this and connect it up to that. I can't show you right now doing it because it's on my my phone is what I'm doing to do this, but I'm gonna go and check it out and try it, and I'm gonna give you guys an update in a couple of days. So I'll be finished this video in a couple of days, and you'll see how it is. But here, I'll put the band on so you can see how that goes. Let's see. So how's it go? The long one goes on the bottom. So if it's this way, the band goes like this. The little pin goes in there. This is really difficult to do when I'm staring into a light. I'm gonna have to turn off the light to do it because I just can't see anything. Oh, there, actually I got it. So there's the bottom section. And then the top one. Oh, you can see right there, once I do the phone, as I'm sliding it, it's doing the phone. That's the AI voice. Bluetooth is not connected. See, it's got the different temperatures and everything. It's got Celsius. Hopefully I can change it to Fahrenheit, seeing as I am in America. Let's see, how do I get this thing to go down there? So hard to do the pins when you can't see. There we go, now I got it. Keeps vibrating, but there, so we can see, ooh, what is that one? That is, oh, the number of steps. I haven't taken any steps yet. There's the sleeping stuff, I guess, the moon. More stuff. So 73 is a heartbeat. So cool. This is gonna be fun. I'm gonna give this thing a try, and I'll update you guys in a few days with how it is. Thanks. Bye. Hi, it's Neil, and welcome to the family room here. And I am gonna finish my review here of the Souyie smartwatch. And I've been wearing the 3 watches. I've been wearing my Souyie other one here. I've been wearing my Apple Watch and this one here for the last few days. And I want to show you guys what I think of this one here. It's been, I haven't really used this one quite as much, just I guess because I've been having it on my right hand and the other one's I had on my left hand. But I do like the way it uses the little rotating knob here. Like, kind of looks different than the other Souyie one, which has the button on it, and the Apple Watch has 2 buttons on it. So just kind of a couple of differences there. One thing I like about it, you'll see, is if I have it back on, I'm going to put this on for a second. If I can get it on, okay. You know, like, see, it's off there now, but then if I go like to look at it, you know, okay, here. So when it turns off, you turn your wrist and it turns back on, just kind of like a Apple Watch does, and the other one here too. So, although that one's not doing it, maybe because it's not on my wrist, but that's how it kind of works. It turns itself on when you do that. So it's really nice. So basically every time you look at it, it's going to be on. And it's cool. I have mine set so it has my heart rate and whatever, blood pressure, and my number of steps and time and the weather. I was playing with it this morning and I changed it back to Celsius instead of Fahrenheit. But you can kind of see it's cool. And it's been easy. I've been charging it every night. The one thing I noticed, it's got this little charger here and it only fits one way. If I try to put it on this way, it doesn't magnetize, but if I go this way, it sucks itself on and starts charging. So that's been nice and convenient and easy. And the one thing is, like my other one, the other Souyie one has its own charger and they're different. So if you look at the backs, you see the little dots are further away from each other. So you have to have a different charger. So this one here has the black charger. So basically I've been charging them both every night, but I think it would last a couple of days anyways without it being charged, especially because the screen goes off. I think it would probably last, I mean, when I've been looking at it, it's only been maybe like 25% depleted each day, so maybe we'll go 4 days without doing it, so it's better. And what's cool is you could probably connect this up like the other one to an Android watch instead of an Apple Watch. I'm not going to replace my Apple Watch with it just because this one's so integrated and it connects to my Peloton and it does a lot of other things that I need it to do. But this one would be great for somebody who doesn't have an Apple Watch, or you know, for a kid or something like that who you just want to have, who has a phone and you want them to have some features, but you don't want to spend a fortune, or somebody who loses their stuff or breaks their stuff or something like that. So that's kind of my thought on that. But otherwise I like it and it's good. And there's the little QR code. Oh, that's the QR code for, yeah, that's the QR code for this one here. Setting up the app is super simple. You just kind of scan that QR code and it finds the app, at least for the Apple it did. I don't know if it would, I guess it would open up for either one. But it's been a week or so, so I don't exactly remember. But it's been good, so I like it. So thumbs up for me for this one here. Totally good, way cheaper than an Apple Watch, and works great. So thumbs up. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description. I'll also probably put a link to the app just so you can get it, at least for the Apple people, if you use it. And thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and like this video. And I'll be back with some other reviews soon. And be sure to check out the other one of this. So if you're comparing the 2 watches, you can kind of pick which one works best for you. Okay, bye.